guys, today we will going to know what is digital marketing. So let's get started. So first question, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is basically an online platform through which we can promote brands, connect with online potential customers using internet with the help of email, social media, text, SMS, etc. So with the help of digital marketing, what we can do, we can use website through which we can write posts, blogs on it and earn from them with the help of Google Ad. And to generate topic for writing blog post, we can use Google Keyword Planner. I will show you how to do it. So click on Tools, go on Keyword Planner, click on Discover New Keywords. Then whatever topic you want, you can write here. For example, I want to write blog post about cryptocurrency. I have targeted United States because I want to target this nation. Then click on get results. So yes, these are the keywords which is searched by the United States people. These are the high volume keywords, means 100k to 1 million people searches every day, but the competition is very low. Now we will explore Google Analytics. So let's see how we can make account on Google Analytics. So let's search Google Analytics. Here it is. Click on Google Analytics. Now here I have already made an account. To create a new account, now I have already made an account. So that's why I am getting this layout, report, snapshot, users. To create a new account, you need to go on admin section, click here, create account. Now we need to give a name. You need to click next. For example, I am typing demo for demo purpose. Click on next. Again, I'll give a property name demo. Select selecting India. Here it is. Getting INR currency, Indian currency, and so here it is. Now next. Now select this option according to your company size. So I am a single person. I am selecting one. What do you want to measure? Check these boxes. I want to measure customer engagement, optimize my site, measure data across devices, optimize my advertising cost, increase my conversion, measure content monetization, analyze my online sales, measure app installs, measure lead generation, then click on create. You will be prompted to data streams, and from here we need to copy HTML tag. Properly say this is web stream details. You will be prompted here, and after prompting here we need to come here, global site tag. We need to copy, click on this, we need to copy this code and paste here in theme section, blogger theme section, if you want to add or integrate analytics to blogger. So I have already added my blogger to Google Analytics, Here it is. As you can see, G tag, Google Analytics G tag. I have already pasted my code here. So this is all about integrating analytics to Blogger. Now we will going to see the different function of analytics. Reports, clicking on report section. So the report section will get basic reports about the user, like user engagement, new user, old user, or user in last 30 minutes, users per 30 minutes. Then if Google Analytics gather more number of data, then it will properly show and give accurate results. Google will also show demographics, sessions, activity, users activity over time, etc. So, and this is real time. If you want to see real time users per minute, so this is the option you need to see. Here it is, users by first user, means when the first time some user come. So here it is this section to see. This is acquisition, user acquisition, used to measure all the users, new user, old user. Traffic acquisition. So to show you how my Google Analytics work, I will be copying my URL. You click on preview. Now to see the Google Analytics results, we need to copy this URL and open a new incognito tab. Paste it here. And voila, our article is here. So we will see how our analytics is working. Close this incognito tab. Let's see if Google Analytics gather some information. Yeah, it does. 2 users per minute, and it is showing demographics also. So yes, it is working. As we can see, the direct link, like I have entered direct URL into Google search bar, so that's why it is coming here direct. If user have come from different sources like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, it will also show here. Now it will show the event count, like what user have done, view page, scroll, start session, or first visit, so etc. Here is the demographic section. We can see users coming from where, which country, over the globe. We can see gender, interest, age, everything, and the language spoken by the user, etc. So that's it. Google Analytics is a very good tool to get the statistical data of your website, to get the user acquisition. So that's it for Google Analytics. Thank you.